In front of me is Enermagic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. We have you decided when you're ready to either take photo within Messages app or add it from your gallery, use this icon of a camera and a photo at the bottom right corner. Now, to take your photo, use those two arrows at the top right corner of camera section available on the left. Take a pic, and after you will take it, it will be automatically attached. To add already existing photos, scroll and click on them here. Or if you can't find them, select folders and select it from your gallery section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!